Good morning. It is actually very, very cold right now. I slept really well though. I just woke up really freezing at one point. It's a beautiful day, it's sunny. We're at an amazing campsite. I'm really happy to be outside. Wait, wait. Okay. It's coldies out there, baby cool. Me and the dogs are about to go on a hike, and while we're gone, there's no way to keep an eye on the van and make sure our stuff is safe. So that is why we installed the 70 My dash camera. This is a great way to keep an eye on your surroundings while you're driving, but also it's really, and what we'll be using it primarily for, is security. So this 70 My dash camera has a surveillance feature. So while I leave the van, this will continue to record and actually track movement when there's movement around the van. This gives me peace of mind when I leave the van. It has an SD card, so it's super easy to pull out. I can upload the videos to the laptop, add it to this video, or if something happened, I can go through and find the footage of the suspects. While I'm sitting here, I can literally be like, take a photo. And it'll do it. It has so many different voice commands. It's super fun to play with. Honestly, it kind of feels like I have a little Tamagotchi riding with me all the time. So I can have it either facing the outside of the van, the side of our van, or even into our van. This is a great way to keep an eye on the dogs or check if there's any ghosts. It does have 70 My Lumi Vision, which is awesome for at night while you're driving or when we're at camp when it's super dark. We can still capture footage. So this actually shoots at 4K resolution and it's 60 frames per second, which is great quality footage, and it allows me to be able to happily add it to our vlogs. It also is 4G compatible. It also comes with a rear camera, which is super sick. With this dual channel system, it allows it to be able to capture all of its surroundings, again, which is great for security and if you get into any incidents while driving. All right, I'm gonna get the girls suited up and on our hike. I'm gonna leave the 70 My dash cam running so I can have peace of mind while going on our hike. Let's go. Are y'all excited to go on a hike? I think it's a little cold. I think we need to get your jackets on. Oh gosh. Y'all are all suited up and ready to go, aren't you? What are you doing? Girl. Are y'all ready? Corey, you want the ball? Y'all want blueberry? Sit. I feel like I haven't been able to like really warm up all day, and it's making me very tired. I just want to crawl into bed and sleep, but I have a 2-hour bike ride I've got to do. It's just an endurance ride. I'm just dreading it because I'm so cold, but it's gorgeous out, and this trail is so much fun. So I know once I'm out there it'll be fine, but it's the whole getting changed when you're cold thing that's really making it tough for me right now. I gotta get the show on the road. Maybe I'll turn on the van a little bit and get the heat going. I think that's like the hardest thing about camping in the van right now when it's unfinished is we don't have electricity, but we have a heater that's like hooked up. So it's just taunting me a little bit. But we'll get there. Oh man. Okay. Let's get the show on the road. Just finished up my ride. It was a good one. Super easy, super simple. All right, I'm gonna get out of my sweaty clothes, clean up the van, and hit the road. Thank you for watching this video, and if you want to see lots of other videos like this, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe because those help support us and allow us to be able to bring more videos like this to you guys. Let's get on the road. Bye, guys.